overwhelming. Delays, budget overruns, and unexpected hurdles can turn your dream project into a nightmare. That's why streamlined solutions are essential for success. Introducing our comprehensive commercial civil building construction services, your trusted supporter in transforming those challenges into triumphs. With years of expertise, we specialize in every phase of commercial construction, from meticulous planning to flawless execution. Our team works closely with you, ensuring that your ideas come to life on time and within budget. We prioritize quality and safety, using innovative technologies and practices that elevate your project while minimizing environmental impact. Whether it's an office building, a retail space, or an industrial facility, we're committed to delivering excellence tailored to your unique needs. Contact us today to get free consultation or to know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.